Hey folks, welcome to Shift Trash Media. I'm Benny Bones, and in this video, Mike, Justin, and Angel and I are going to a Somernites Cruise in Somerset, Kentucky. Let's see if we can find some coal cars. Let's go!
Dang. Yeah, that's pretty slick.
Hey, we got a YouTube. Can we interview you?
Dude, I'd love to. Yeah, I got a YouTube too, so...
Oh, sweet. Where you want to go? We'll follow you. I don't know this place that well.
Okay, alright. What, you got the videos?
Yeah.
Alright.
Awesome. All right, we're here with Eli. Eli has got a Toyota truck. You're not gonna guess what's in it. I'll give you a second to guess. All right, you're wrong. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so this is it's a 1997 two-wheel drive, single cab Tacoma that it was a perfectly good running truck, but I chopped it up and put a Mercedes diesel in it. It's a OM 606. It's dual overhead cam, 3 liter, straight 6 diesel. And just a big mechanical injection pump, you know, bigger turbo. 4L80 with a reverse manual valve body and a 4.8 rear end. That's kind of the whole setup.
No, I think I overheard you saying you actually drive it like every day.
Oh man, it gets. I can average about 32 miles a gallon. So it, you know, 500 horsepower on tap pretty much. So if it's not raining, it's nice out. I drive it to work and I use it too. You know, to go work on stuff.
What kind of boost is something like that?
50 pounds.
50 pounds.
50 pounds. Yeah.
See, we're gasoline guys. That's crazy number.
Oh yeah. So
So we're down here at the Somernites Cruise. We're going by. We hear turbo noises. We see black smoke. He comes by. We panic. We gotta talk to him. So you done all the work yourself?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's just a shed, pretty much.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
You got no excuse.
Yeah, so these engines come out of a 98 to 99 Mercedes car, kind of like the one over there. And I just, you know, went and bought one in Atlanta, Georgia, and just started hacking this Toyota up and made it fit in here. I made this intake out of a Chevy drive shaft. So I pretty much just bought a TIG welder off Amazon and just started going to town. So that's kind of how I built this thing. Big intercooler, you know, use the Mercedes radiator and fuel tank. 4-inch exhaust the whole way. It's turbo smart wastegate. 3,000 stall 4 converter RPM. And, yeah, that's pretty much a street sign for my fuse box. I just like to, you know, use whatever material I can to make something work. But I have about 30,000 miles on it so far, and it's been bulletproof. I mean, I have not had any issues out of it, so I can't complain. And I beat on it about every day. So I built the engine, has HP rods in it, some inserts that I custom make. I've shipped everywhere around the world with people building these. Yeah, that's, you know, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get AC working in it this year, hopefully.
Oh, you don't need no AC.
No, I drive too much a little bit. Yeah. 09 out of a 350Z, so it's 6-speed manual. And I drove it for about a year and a half. I started building it when I was like 15 and a half, I think, when I started driving. And it was good, but I kept going through clutches. I ruined 2 single disc clutches, so then I had a dual disc made. Destroyed it. I was like, man, I gotta, you know, it's just, it's so, especially with the drag slick on the back. So then I put this 4L80 in it, and never had any issues now, and it's so much faster, just more enjoyable to drive.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
So it's got QA1 coilovers, stock Toyota sway bar and A-arms, but it's got Mitsubishi Evolution 9 rotors and a Cadillac CTS caliper, Brembo calipers for a big brake retrofit. I had to lathe the rotors, but they fit on the hubs and helped a lot for braking power. And then the rear end is a Ford 818 out of an Explorer, so it converted to disc. I made the drive shaft. Yeah, it's been bulletproof. The rear end's been great, and transmission is, you know, built 4L80. So
nice.
I'll show you a cool little secret back here. You know, because it's a diesel, so I had to add a hitch. So behind the license plate, I've got a receiver if I ever need to pull a trailer. I got no gooseneck ball, but no, I'm kidding.
Oh, you need some helper springs.
Yeah, that's all it needs. Brakes and stuff. Custom dash and gauges, because it's all, you know, there's no ECM in it. It's all mechanical, so standalone everything. You know, gauges. It's dirty right now, but like I said, I drive it a lot.
Making me feel terrible.
Yeah, yes sir. Yeah, thank you. Awesome.
Just a little more cruising, then time to head home.